Boy, this heat has me feeling like this plant hot and stressed. Hi, I'm Mary with Nelson Nursery and Water Gardens, and I can tell this plant has some needs right now. And though it needs some deep watering, I'm going to tell you about how to do a quick fix of first aid. Our first aid is going to be using a foliar spray. This is going to help this plant out right away. I'm simply using a liquid fertilizer and a pump-up sprayer and spraying this entire plant. And that nutrients are going to absorb into the plant and perk it right up. And guess what? This can be used on everything from plants that are planted in the ground or in your pots to your lawn. We've got stress spots here, bald spots, and I'm going to spray this, and it's going to encourage this grass healthy, perk it up, and grow into these dead spots here, so I no longer have bald spots in my yard. So this has been Mary with Nelson's, and this is your first aid tip for your plants.